Why?
The stock.
Dude, look at the wing!
Did you see the one guy with the super
Look at the wing, bro!
like,
The stock wheels wouldn't fit.
Bro, look at the wing!
Yeah.
What's up?
Only slight pumps at a time.
ISR coils. Sweet.
He's all ready to go.
Yeah.
Get it, girl, get it.
And I'm doing it the right way too.
Be proud of yourself.
Yeah, I think the thing I love the most about these is like how much better they are than the crappy. Like when ISR first came out, their coilovers were garbage. So you want
Work
to take
them
this collar out,
muscles.
or you want to leave it on?
No, we're gonna leave the one in the front.
Women can
So
do
I
this.
emailed.
I know they can.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, you got some grease or something?
Do I have some what?
Some grease or something?
Oh, I have the stuff you're supposed to use on this. The fucking stuff. Alright, so this is pretty important. So I talked to ISR on the phone.
Yeah.
And they told me, well, they recommended to run these at a 5mm preload.
5mm?
Yeah, which means that, there's people who are not sure, which means that once the spring is snug, you tighten them up 5mm.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that's what that means.
That is what that means.
So, you come here and get me in. Measure. Our 5mm measure. And I honestly.
Measurer.
Okay, so they recommended 5mm, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to do that much. I'm thinking. You just had them snug, right?
I just had mine snug.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I mean, if you want them stiffer, 5mm will get you there.
Hey, Crash, on your car, is your ride height even on both sides? Like, are the coilovers the same height?
Yeah.
Dude, my car just, I think the things like how bent or something. Because it's like not about.
The frame might be like a little tweaked or
Dude, this
something.
thing is, God knows what Christian did with it. Funny guy.
Where did he get this car?
This car was bought from some guy in Virginia that had no idea. He didn't know anything about cars or anything. He was just like, yeah, I need to make a payment on my Camaro, so. And then his dad came out and he's like, this car handles great. You can take corners at 90 miles an hour.
Okay, so, ride height. I think we're gonna have to test it and see what it is at. Let's pull one out. Oh my god, this is loose. Whoops.
You're just getting ahead.
Wow,
You're
dude.
excited.
Dude, these are like totally loose. Oh my god, what am I doing?
You're just excited to put these on. You're getting ready.
These are legit finger tighten. Oh my goodness.
They're tight on this side.
Good. Okay, oh yeah.
You wanna, yeah, you take,
Huh?
you wanna put it up here?
We'll just, the nuts?
At the end.
Oh yeah. I'll keep it right here.
It's alright. It fell out. You're good.
The third one?
Yes.
Yay. Babe!
Sorry.
Dude, I can't believe your finger tightened. Oh my god.
D-Max, you're going on the coupe?
Yeah, it's gonna go on the coupe. Because that one's gonna be really, really, really low. Okay. So if we were to guesstimate how these work. Wow, that should be high as fuck. These colors gotta go.
Yeah, that's what it was. Because mine are maxed out, and I don't think my car's low enough for you.
I don't know if you know how much of a pain in the ass it is to remove a C's collar or a C's body or all
Oh
that
yeah, me
crap.
and Christian tried it on
No,
the
so you just
DT12s.
put this on the threads where you're really gonna put it. And you save yourself and your whoever does your alignments a lot of trouble. Bro, I cannot wait to put this car down. I am so excited!
Real dude, it's gonna be really freaking low, man.
Oh yeah, we had a good time putting the other side on. Are you ready? Alright, one's in. Hey baby, can you pass me the hammer?
Hammer?
Yeah. Oh fuck. There we go. Bro, this positive camera light is not something that I'm about.
Yeah.
Come whack this. Whack both those bolts.
Am I supposed to do
Whack them that way, yeah, like that. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah!
Sorry.
A little bit more. Look at pause things. And hit that one.
How?
Just if you, the best you can. Got it. Heck yeah. I haven't even tightened up. I just want to put the car on the ground and see what it looks like.
I think that's what we did last time. And we forgot to ever try them again.
Okay, fine, you're right. But this time we will not forget.
That kind of sucks though, because maxed out camber, you're like at 0.
What do you mean?
But it's also like you have extended lower control arm.
I don't have them yet. Well, I gotta install them.
But I mean, like with the mount flip, that's what it looks like.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right. I totally forgot about that.
Dude, if you ran those extended arms with the mount flipped, it would be like perfect.
Fine.
That's always how it goes.
I did most of the work.
I got it loose for you.
You go up high.
That's why I want to see.
So maybe this fits this one.
When they like, oh, we invented this thing
Yeah.
to try to track something or do whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we have a winner.
Like,
How do they usually track them? They have to like shoot them with something?
yeah, normally they put like those tags in their fingers.
Oh yeah. Okay.
They have. I mean, I know that they. That's
Yeah.
the most common one that I know.
Ding, ding, ding.
Like,
Cool.
one of the
So
things
now
that I
it-
really liked was they
Okay,
made.
so-
They took a bunch of cameras and they had like a giant. kind
Now
of
we'll
like a-
run these mounts.
They had cameras all lined like this.
Oh, hello, Key. If we run,
With this.
So what kind of coilovers are these at this point?
this is
I
I did.
IS
so they
Max.
have you do the interview that you do with them in person.
These are IS Max
It's
hybrids.
3 hours long.
Haven't been released
They do,
yet.
like a simulation test.
Special
Prototypes.
product.
So did your Frankenstein project work?
Maybe. Frankenstein project was changed like 4 times at this point.
We're about to see what the fuck's about to go
This is
down.
Frankenstein version 3.
Frankenstein version 3. Alright, I gotta cut these zip ties.
Modifications.
It's like a modification for a modification. Bro, where's my
Did you
zip
have
tie?
the mod part of your modification?
What? What'd you say?
Modification section.
Oh. Dude, now you got more colors. The more colors your suspension has, the better.
What are you doing? Chilling?
So before Crash left, we were trying to figure out how to get the fronts to where I wanted them. What was limiting us was the lower mounting bracket for the coilover, and it was it just wasn't giving the drop that I was looking for. So we flipped it, and that was perfect. The flip bracket was great. It got the car to sit where I wanted it to. But considering that the upper slot is slotted, it threw the camber just totally fucky. So that didn't work. If you run camber arms, you should be fine doing that, but it wasn't enough for me. So instead we just went with my old lower mounts from my D-Max coilovers, and that got the car to sit where I wanted it to. So I was pretty happy with that. And in the rear, it was fine. That's pretty much maxed out, so I'm happy with how it came out. Yeah, I'm excited to see how these things feel on the track. A big thanks to Crash, Christine, and Taylor for coming out and just hanging out and helping me get these things installed. I'm excited to see how they feel.